Stoic rules that make you rich without stress. The calm path to real success. Let me ask you something. Why is it that some people make money but lose their peace? They get richer but more anxious, more successful but more exhausted, more achievements but less control over their life. Stoicism teaches us something very different. Hindi nito tinuturo ang mabilis na yaman. It teaches stable wealth, calm success, and long-term power. Welcome to this video. Today, we'll talk about stoic rules that can make you rich without stress, without panic, and without losing yourself. This is not about hustle culture. This is about self-mastery. Slow down. Listen carefully. Because this mindset can change how you earn, spend, and live. Stoic rule number 1. Control yourself before controlling money. Stoics believe one thing very clearly. If you cannot control your desires, money will give them control. Stoic thinks the opposite. Kapag wala kang kontrol sa sarili mo, your spending, your cravings, your ego, kahit gaano kalaki ang kita mo, mawawala rin. A Stoic learns discipline first. Discipline in spending. Discipline in emotions. Discipline in decisions. This is why Stoics don't rush to get rich. They train the mind first because money in the hands of an undisciplined person is just a faster way to chaos. Stoic rule number 2. Remove stress by accepting what you can't control. Stress comes from fighting reality. The market goes down. The business fails. The income slows. Most people panic. Stoics don't. Hindi dahil wala silang pakialam, but because they understand control. A Stoic asks, is this within my control? If yes, act calmly. If no, accept fully. When you stop emotionally fighting things you can't control, your mind becomes clear, and clear mind makes better financial decisions. Calm decisions compound. Panic decisions destroy wealth. And Stoic number 3. Delay pleasure to build power. Stoics were masters of delayed gratification while others spend money to feel rich. Stoics build system to become rich, habang ang iba bumibili para magmukhang successful. Stoics invest in skills, health, patience, long-term growth. Hindi ka magiging mayaman sa kakabili ng gusto mo ngayon. You become rich by saying no today. So you can say yes forever later. This rule alone separates broke minds from wealthy minds. Stoic number 4. Do not attach your identity to money. Stoics never worship money. Money is a tool, not a measure of self-worth. Kapag ang identity mo ay nakabase sa pera, matatakot kang mawala, magiging desperate ka, gagawa ka ng bad decisions. But when money is just a tool, you stay calm whether you gain or lose. And here's the paradox. People who don't emotionally cling to money often manage it better because they're not desperate, they're deliberate. And Stoic number 5. Play the long game. Stoicism is anti-get rich quick. Stoics understand something powerful. Real wealth is boring at the start. It's slow. It requires consistency. Hindi flashy, hindi exciting, but stable. Stoics choose consistent effort, quiet progress, long-term thinking, while others chase trends. Stoics build foundations and foundations don't collapse easily. And Stoic number 6, live below your means. Even when you can afford more, Stoics practice simplicity even when they had power. Why? Because the less you need, the freer you are. Kapag konti ang kailangan mo, less pressure, less fear. more choices. True wealth is not how much you earn, it's how little you depend on. A stoic with the a stoic with moderate income and low needs is richer than a high earner drowning in lifestyle expenses. And stoic rule number 7. Use failure as training, not trauma. Stoics don't see failure as a personal. Failure is data. Loss is feedback. Mistakes are teachers kapag bumagsak ka. Don't collapse emotionally. Don't blame the world. Don't quit. What is this training me for? People who fear failure stay full. People who study failure grow powerful. Stoics grow through adversity, financially and mentally. And Stoic rule number 8. Build character and money will follow. Stoics believe this deeply. Stoics believe this deeply. Wealth without character is temporary. They focus on integrity, reliability, self respect, discipline. Why? Because character attracts trust, opportunities, partnerships, long term success. Money comes and goes. Character compounds, and what compounds always wins. Stoic rule number 9. Define enough. This is where stress disappears. Stoics always ask, what is enough? If you never define enough, you will never rest. Pero kapag alam mo na kung kailan sapat na, you stop running blindly. You start building intentionally. Wealth with clarity is peaceful. Wealth without clarity is endless anxiety. Stoic rule number 10. Be rich in control, not just cash. Final Stoic truth. The richest people are not the loudest. They are the calmest. They control their reactions, their spending, their time, their emotions. Money becomes a servant, not a master. And that's real success. If this message gave you clarity, that means your mind is ready for a higher level. Stoicism is not about being emotionless. It's about being unshakable. If you want more content about Stoic success, calm wealth, mental discipline, quiet power, subscribe to my channel. Follow for more Stoic wisdom. Don't forget to like and share this video with someone who needs clarity. And remember, you don't get rich by rushing. You get rich by mastering yourself. Stay calm. Stay disciplined.